The next exercise is to use the ball as an articulatory tool to move the lumbar spine and get that more mobile. So the way to do that is, again, have your hand onto a stable surface so that you don't ping the ball off one way or the other. Make sure that you're comfortable and just move your hips to the right and to the left in a nice slow control movement. Don't move rapidly or you're likely to fall off. Just nice and slow and control left and right. If that feels easy, just reduce the amount of stability you're getting from the bed by just going onto fingertips. And then, when that's really good and you feel comfortable, you can switch to forward and back. So tucking the pelvis forward, tucking it back out. Almost like tucking your tailbone underneath you and tucking your bone back out. So sticking your bone out like a dog's tail and then tucking under. So when you're really comfortable with these, you can build up to doing around 20 to 30 each way. Start with just a few, 5 to 10, and then slowly build up to 20 each way. Left and right, and forward and back. When you're really confident and you know that you're not relying on this at all, then you can just remove that and just put your hands on your knees and continue. Keeping your feet nice and flat on the floor, hip width apart, so you're nice and stable, and just continue left and right, forward and back.